Hello, students. I hope you are well and good at your homes. So, let us start the practice zones of the chapter number 2 Nutrition in Animals. So, the first question of practice zone 1 is that what is the main difference between autotrophs and the heterotrophs? We know that they both are the organisms, but the way they eat food, the way they gain their food are different, right? So like autotrophs are the organisms which prepare their own food, which do not depend upon other organisms for their food. Those are the autotrophs, whereas the heterotrophs depend upon other organisms for their food, right? Next is how is ingestion different from exhaustion? We know that जो exhaustion होता है, it is simply removal of waste product from our body, whereas ingestion is taking in food into our body. That is the ingestion. Clear? Next comes practice zone 2. List the functions of incisors, canines, premolars, and the molars. We know that these are the types of the teeth. तो फर्स्ट फोर टीथ जो हमें बिल्कुल सामने हमारे दांतों में होते हैं, those are the incisors. They are helpful in cutting the things and biting the things, right? Next comes the canines. What are the canines? They help in tearing and piercing, because जो canines होते हैं, they are sharp pointed from the top, which helps in tearing the food. Next comes premolars and the molars. Their function is quite similar one. They help in grinding the food. जो hard food हम खाते हैं, solid food, it is completely grinded and crushed by the premolars and the molars. Clear? Next comes the question number 2. Give two give two important functions of the tongue. One is, we know that we are able to talk with the help of tongue, so this could be this, the one function. Other is that it helps us in detecting the various taste of it helps in detection of the various types of taste with the help of taste buds which are present on the tongue. Clear? Okay, so next comes the practice zone 3. What is the role of esophagus and large intestine in human digestive system? So we know that esophagus is a food pipe and it connects the mouth with the stomach. So it is the tube which carries the food from the mouth to the stomach, whereas the large intestine, it simply the waste absorbs the water and the salt जो excess amount में present होता है in the waste undigested food, उसमें से water absorb करती है. that is the large intestine. Clear? Next comes what is assimilation. Assimilation क्या होता है? It is a process in which the nutrients which are absorbed by our body, they are utilized for the growth and proper body building activities in our body. So this is assimilation. Next comes the name three ruminants. Name three ruminants. Ruminants are those organisms, if you remember, that जो जिनके अंदर digestive tract के 4 chambers होते हैं, which cannot digest the cellulose in एक बार में वो जो cellulose है उसको अच्छे से digest नहीं कर पाते. So those are the ruminants. They are cow, goats, buffaloes, grass eating animals. Not all are the ruminants, but some, we can say. And all these animals chew cud for the long time. जो अपना खाना फिर से अपने माउथ में लेके आते हैं to rechew it. ठीक है? Those are the ruminants. Next comes differentiate between a rumen and omasum in the ruminants. क्या डिफरेंस होता है rumen एंड ओमाजम में? व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन rumen क्या होता है? इट इज़ अ टेम्पररी स्टोरेज चैम्बर, राइट? व्हेन द एनिमल्स कीप ऑन ईटिंग क्विकली द फूड वो स्वेलो करते रहते हैं. इट इज़ टेम्पररीली स्टोर्ड इन द rumen and after that it is brought back into the mouth again and after rechewing उसको कहाँ सेंड कर दिया जाता है? To the omasum. Clear? So this is the difference between the both. So these are the practice zones. I hope these are clear to you all. Okay, fine.